Hi, my name is Kamryn Ford. Today's date is December 22nd, 2022. And on the back, I just have the points that I need to hit for this presentation. My brother is going to be my model for this assignment. So 5 important external structures would be the head and neck, the upper limbs, the lower limbs, which you can't see right now, but his legs, his skin, and his chest or thorax area. Some body systems that relate to these would be with the head and neck, it would include the skeletal system, such as his skull, and the nervous system, which includes the brain and the beginning of the spinal cord. For the upper limbs and lower limbs, some important systems would be the skeletal system and the muscular system. Bones like the femur in the lower limbs, or the radius and ulna down here in the upper limbs. And then moving on to the skin, that is important for the integumentary system. And then the chest and thorax contains the cardiovascular system, the respiratory system, and the skeletal system when referring to the rib cage that surrounds the lungs. The importance of surface anatomy is to understand the surface landmarks and their relation to where internal structures would be lying. It's important in a lot of procedures or surgical procedures to know where to begin an incision in regards to what they're operating on underneath. And some clinical applications for these systems would be with the skin. Dermatology is important since the skin can burn. There can be lesions that can or cannot be cancerous. So dermatology would allow for taking care of the skin. And with the upper and lower limbs, we would see a clinical application in orthopedics or sports medicine in regards to broken bones or torn or stretched muscles that would need treatment for those. Thank you.